Import goods on a credit basis at zero advance payment. Are you looking to give your business a fresh start aftermath of COVID-19, but don't have enough cash funds to do your business? Now you can import goods from your supplier on credit basis with the use of standby letter of credit. SBLC gives assurance to the supplier that the buyer will make the payment within the credit period. And if there is any default occurs, then the bank will be liable to meet the financial commitments as agreed in the contract. To get standby letter of credit from good-rated European banks at zero collateral, contact Bronzewing Trading LLC, the SBLC providers in Dubai. We can facilitate the issuance of SBLC by extending our own bank facilities available in international repute banks in Europe. For more info, email us support@importletterofcredit.com. Call us 9714551969. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487661. Visit www.importletterofcredit.com.